Welcome to the news on Mirror Now. I'm Kavita Krishnan. Our top story this evening: from Uttar Pradesh to Kerala, India's motor mouth netas have struck again. With zero action or consequences, our political leaders do not bother to think twice about what they speak. Let's have a look at three such netas who've made news today with their derogatory and shameful comments. Veteran actor and BJP member Maushami Chatterjee criticized an anchor for wearing pants at an event in Surat. Now, commenting on the anchor's attire, Maushami Chatterjee urged the anchor to wear a sari and not pants. And she did not stop there. Chatterjee went on to say that she advised the anchor as a mother and claimed that it is her right to correct the younger generation on what to wear for their own benefit.
हम सब मॉडर्न ड्रेस पहनते हैं, लेकिन जगह समझिए किधर क्या पहनना है। मंदिर में आप जींस पहन के जा नहीं सकते, इससे आपकी तकलीफ होगी। इससे अच्छा सलवार कमीज पहन लीजिए, घाघरा चोली पहन लीजिए, साड़ी पहन लीजिए, आसान होगा। और हमारा जो विरासत है, हमारा जो संस्कृति है, वो हमारा ही दायित्व है कि लोगों के सामने उदाहरण की तरफ रखें। आप बच्चे हो, मैं आपसे बहुत बड़ी हूँ, अगर आपको बुरा लगे तो मुझे माफ कर देना, लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगा माँ के हिसाब से मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि आइंदा ऐसा काम मत करो बेटा। हाँ, मुझे हक है एज ए नारी, एज ए हिंदुस्तानी वुमन के हिसाब से ये आज के पीढ़ी को बोलना जरूरत है कि कब कैसे पहनना चाहिए, आपकी सहूलत के लिए, खुद की सहूलत के लिए, मेरी सहूलत के लिए नहीं। आप मंदिर में जाएंगे, आप झुक के प्रणाम नहीं कर सकते जींस।
And Disha Shah now joins me with more on that. Disha, of course, Maushami Chatterjee herself, yesteryear's actor, had made her mark in several Bollywood movies. Now that she's turned a neta, she's actually going around giving advice to girls on what to wear.
Well, that's right, Kavita, at this point. At this point in time, of course, Chatterjee, she was in Surat addressing a press conference, and at that time, after she saw the anchor, she took the mic and she said that आप ये कपड़े पहन के आए हो, ये कपड़े सही नहीं है, आपको या तो साड़ी या ड्रेस पहनना चाहिए था. So you should have either worn a sari or salwar kameez for the event. So this was, and you know, when people questioned her, she said that it was just an advice, a motherly advice is what she was being quoted by several reports, and of course at the event, people who were present. So this is what she had to say, that do not take me in a wrong way. As a woman, I have all the right to teach the youth what they should wear, and when. So of course, a motherly kind of an advice is what your Chatterjee is really saying after she, of course, turned the BJP politician here when she was addressing at a press conference in Surat.
Right, Disha, but that motherly advice clearly over here embarrassing and making that particular act very, very uncomfortable, as we can see on our screens. But it is not Maushami Chatterjee alone. After